Hi guys, welcome back to the garage. Video number 2 today. Holy cow. So, I got a gift from a friend, and if she wants to out herself in the comments, she most certainly can, because I won't do that here because some people don't want to be mentioned, but I had to do this unboxing because it's just an awesome deck, and I'm really looking forward to working with it. And so, yeah, so look what I have. Eee! I have the Victorian Fairy Tarot. Okay, so besides being a creepy girl, which everybody knows I'm creepy, everybody knows I love my poo. I also love anything Victorian. I swear, in a past life, I was a Victorian aristocrat. Yes, because I've always felt that I'm just made for the good life, and I have a good life. So, with that said, also she gifted me this beautiful stone. I don't know if you guys can. You can probably see the glint on that. This is gorgeous. I had never seen one of these before, and she told me it's called a spirit quartz. Spirit quartz. It's gorgeous. I absolutely love it. I've never seen anything like it, but she said it really wanted to be with the deck, and so she sent it to me along with this lovely little pouch which you can put stones in, like this one was in, and you can actually wear it around your neck. Is that cool? I love that because, as you know, I've been taking my self help stones, and I just had a regular bag and shoving them in me bra. So, yeah. So that's beautiful. I haven't even ripped off the plastic part here, so I'm going to do that now. Oh, I have been wanting these cards for a long time. They've been on my list. They were one of the first ones on my list. I don't know why. I never got them, but I didn't. Okay. Ooh. Box is coming apart, but it's an old, you know, tuck box. So, it's got a nice chunky guidebook. I love new book smell. Ah, I love new book smell. Okay, and then, or maybe, am I opening it wrong? No, I don't think so. No, here are the cards. Here are the cards. So, is there anything in here? Nope, just empty, empty. So it's a pretty, yeah, flimsy box. So this will go in the box that holds my boxes. Yes, I have a box that holds my boxes. Okay, so this is the Victorian Fairy Companion book, and it is by Linnea Weatherstone, art by Gary Lippincott. It is the 253 pages long is the companion guide. Oh, it's got that really nice softy cover. Love it. About the author. Major, minor. Oh, it goes right into it here. Very short introduction to the Victorian and the fairies and the structure of the deck. And then it goes right into the majors. So you can see they have a black and white photo of the major, and then they have I think it's a page and a half. Yeah, page and a half. It's on the other half of the page here. Page and a half write up about the card. Every card has it for the major, and for the minors, same thing pretty much. A whole page, at least a page. Yeah, or a page in a piece here. So um, the I can't. Anyway, she's got a one card reading fairy card. A fleeting glimpse of fairy is the one card. A herald's welcome. A seasonal spread. That might be interesting. Titania's dream spread. The dance of happiness. I like that. Okay, and afterwards. And bibliography. Okay, so the suits have been changed. And I don't know if they mention major, full card, traditional, minor. Okay, here we go. So, wands is spring, cups is summer, pentacles is autumn, and swords is winter. So, let me open the deck. It's got one of those nice pulley tabs on it, which I love. That saves me from having to get out my skizzers. So, all right. So, the back of the deck, the back of the cards is this sweet little harp with the blue bells. I love it. I love it. Okay, here we go. So, the Fool, and I guess that's in the bottom. Oh, we have the Conjurer instead of the Magician. So apparently they've changed some names here. The Seeress instead of the High Priestess. Oh, the Empress retains. I love that. And the Emperor. Ah, the Vicar. Oh, the Vicar. I love that. I love that, the Vicar. I still think in some parts of the world, the Pope is still called a vicar, or the priest, or pastor, minister, vicar. I love it. The Fairy Bride. I'm trying to remember the card. I'm terrible. There's the Chariot. Oh. Fortitude. What a beautiful card. Oh, I love that one. The Hermit. Wheel of Time. This is such a beautiful card. The Magistrate. These are just gorgeous. I love the muted colors. The Hanging Fairy. Oh, poor fairy is caught in the spider web. Uh-oh, whatever shall he do? Death. Oh. It's a birdie. Temperance. Goblin Market. I love that. Okay, that's got to be my favorite card. Goblin Market. Burning Oak. I really love how these names are, how they changed the names. The Star. The Moon. And yes, I still sometimes struggle with the major arcana if the names are changed and what the actual names are. I have to really think. The Awakening, which I believe is Judgment. And then the Worlds. That's beautiful. Okay, so the Herald of Spring. So I think spring is wands. Look at the big bunny. 3, Queen, King, ace, 2. I love these cards. I'm really not a big fairy person, but with the Victorian and the fairy combined, these are just beautiful. They're just beautiful. I have the fairy tarot also, and I didn't think I was going to like it, but it's gorgeous too. I don't know. 8, 9, and 10. So then we have the Herald of Summer, which I think is cups, and Herald is for page. Of course, then we have the Knight, Queen, King. I love that lotus flower. 2. Oh, showing love. 3, 4. Let me know what you guys think about these. I'm really enjoying these. I'm going to love using these. I definitely think this is more of a springtime. It has a more spring, summer feel to me, but I haven't gotten to the winter cards yet, so I don't know. It may be a good all-rounder deck. We'll see. Look at that beautiful waterfall. Herald of Autumn. So this is Pentacles. Yeah. Look at the red. King of Pentacles. I love it. Ace. The apple. Apple, apple. That's a great 2. That is a great 2 of Pentacles. I love it. Oh my. Now that's a squirrel. Oh, that's a heartbreaker. That's a heartbreaker. I just am totally... These are wonderful, wonderful cards. The Ten of Pentacles, everything. Here we go. So this is the swords. So Page of Swords. Is that a bear? Is he riding a bear? Could be a bear. Queen of Swords. I love the core cards too. The core cards are fabulous. Look at that icicle. Wow. There's a little hat up here. 2. Wow. 3. Ooh. That's terrible. That's a terrible card, but it is the 5 of Wands, so, or the 5 of Swords. Where's the 3? I didn't even look at the 3. Wow. Okay. Interesting. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. Wow, look at that. Is that a badger? Is that a badger? Oh my god. Oh my god, it's a badger. That's one of my totem animals. That's why I'm like, oh wow. All right, guys. So there is the walkthrough on the Victorian Fairy Tarot. All right, guys. Much love. See you next time.